Subtraction within 20 using number line. We have 5 apples. We take away 2 apples. How many are left? 5 minus 2 equals 3. Let us try using the number line. Start at 5. Move backwards 2 spaces. 5 minus 2 equals 3. Nine minus 4 equals. Start at 9. Move backwards 4 spaces. 9 minus 4 equals 5. Twelve minus 5 equals. Start at 12. Jump backwards 5 times. 12 minus 5 equals 7. 11 minus 6 equals. Start at 11. Jump backwards 6 times. 11 minus 6 equals 5. Good job. Share with families and educators who may benefit. Free worksheet link in the description.